Hi guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best tire changing tools you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with video. Number 1. Dr.Roc Tire Spoon Tire Changing Tools. Dr.Roc spoon levers make tire changing a breeze in motorcycles, bikes and other small-wheeled vehicles like lawn mowers. User-friendly features along with accessories make removing and reinstalling quick and efficient. The premium and well-built lever irons symbolize the confluence of minimalism with top quality. The manufacturer threw in a decent bag paired with all bells and whistles, not to mention the rim protectors to protect your investment from abrasion or marks. The black durable Oxford case keeps the tools in apple pie order. It has easy grip handle with an old non-slip hand grip. Work your finger to the bone without tension, pain, and fatigue with an ergonomic design for comfortable handling. The anti-slip protection stands out as the most useful hands-on feature. It adds more grip or surface area, making the tool easier to grasp and use. Smooth rounded edges on the spoons guide the tire bed to roll off your rim without pinching wheels. The burly tire irons have high tensile strength for improved durability and impact resistance. Smooth rounded edges on the spoons allow strong, reliable prying leverage. It also includes an ergonomic handle to give you the edge when groping for the sweet spot where the tire and rim meet. Pros: most durable with superb tensile strength. Solid handles with anti-slip protection. Heavy duty, weather and rust resistant forged steel. Upscale polished chrome finish. Smooth and anti-scratching edges. Specially designed for motorcycle, bikes and small tires. Cons: not the best for large street tires. Number 2. Motion Pro Tire Bead Breaker and Lever Tool Set. For do-it-yourselfers angling for a multi-use tire tool set, this innovative kit is a must-have. It breaks the bead excellently and doubles in brass as tire spoon. Breaking a bead en route is a devil of a job. Motions Pro makes the task a breeze with a supportive combination of lightweight and storage-friendly tools. The tire spoons have a 16-long handle to make removing and installing easy as pie. In the same breath, ergonomic configuration and crossguard prevents your hand from sliding forward. The lightweight design promotes optimal maneuverability and control. The bead breakers made to break the bead from the rim. They feel solid and durable. What's more, you can get more applications beyond leverage. However, an aggressive approach will cause inadvertent scratching. You have to be more careful with these tools. You can designate the smaller and lighter one for trails as it is stackable. The heavy-duty forged steel construction of the lengthened handle makes tire swapping easier and trouble-free. The ergonomic design incorporates a crossguard to keep your hand from slipping forward for maximum control. Durable black oxide finish will protect your pieces against corrosion and the elements. Pros: heavy-duty, durable and forged steel construction. Versatile bead breaker. Long-handled spoon for more leverage. Crossguard prevents your hand from sliding forward. Durable chrome, black oxide finish. 2 pieces included. Cons: does not include rim protectors. Number 3. Ken Tool Mount and Demount Iron. A humongous iron bar provides better leverage to a pro or home mechanic handling smaller tires with stiffer sidewalls. With Ken Tool 34645. You become a safe pair of hands to mount or dismount sizable or small RATV wheels. Exquisite craftsmanship and precision engineering makes this bar a scalpel for heavy-walled wheels or tires mounted a long time ago. Measuring 37 long with a 3/4 diameter, the elongated tool has a unique tip adapted to fit into the rim of the wheel and displace the bead to release the tire. Smooth rounded edges insert easily to ensure you don't cut or rip the bead or sidewall. It may lack rim protectors or plastic coatings, but the metal does not damage the wheels. It will not mark your hard-earned wheels or chrome as you mount or dismount the tires. What's more, One portion of the bar comes adapted for easy gripping as it fits securely in your hand. An old end shape fits the hand firmly for maximum control at different angles. The end may be pounded by a hammer or other object to insert it over the bead retaining flange or lip. Pros: elongated design for multi-use. Lightweight construction. Wallet friendly. Unique rounded tip for grabbing the rim. Smooth rounded tip edges for a non-scratching contact. Durable and impact resistant. Cons: thicker groove makes it a pain to use on motorcycles by inexperienced users. Number 4. PowerLift Manual Tire Changer Base. First off on our list of the best tire chargers is the PowerLift Manual Tire Changer Base. This is one product that features rigidity and sturdiness as its two most significant selling points. When searching for a tire charger, you need something that can hold its own against strenuous situations. You have that here for sure. With rugged steel parts and a solid base, you get enough strength and effectiveness, regardless of how many tires you need to have changed at a go. The PowerLift tool is also very versatile in its makeup. You will find it easy to change just about everything from 8-inch tires to those of large trucks. The solid base also provides enough leverage for you to break the head of the tire you're changing, thus providing convenience and speed as you work. For most products, there's a give and take. If it has additional functionality, it could be bulky, making it heavy to transport for use or storage. PowerLift's manual tire changer is an exception. The tool is light and somewhat portable, making movement and storage hassle-free. For both commercial use and application around the house, this product is built to deliver on all fronts. For more must-have products for your car. Number 5. Gopless Breaker Manual Tire Changing Tool. Goplus Portable Bead Breaker makes tire changing quick and simple, and it's small enough to fit into the back of any transportation vehicle or on a motorbike. Suitable for wheels and tires sized 16 inches or more, it's the perfect object to have around at any time. The tire changer is durably constructed, as it is made of superior iron. The best part is that it does all the heavy lifting in case of a tire change. If you find yourself in that situation, then the long, heavy-duty handle that ensures maximum braking force will surely come in handy. Moreover, pros: this tire changer is very durable as it is made of iron, a really sturdy material that can hold heavy loads. Also, it has a design that makes the product pretty solid. The great feature that this product has is that it does all the heavy lifting jobs and you will be able to change your tires comfortably without any effort on your part. You will be able to change your tires easily and also very quickly, which means that you are going to save time and energy. It has a compact design that allows you to store it without occupying a lot of space, and it is great for home use. Cons: this product might seem a little bit hard to put together for some people, but after you have finished doing that, it will be very easy to use and that is worth all the money. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.